along to my channel. Today I am going to be making a dragon. Not an ordinary dragon, a magical dragon. It could be magical. Anyway, this dragon is going to be sat on top of a rock. The rock is going to have jagged areas where it looks like teeth, and then where the dragon's arms are folded, it's going to make it look like eyes. So the dragon's going to look like it's sat on a skull. So the dragon is a skull and a skull is a dragon. Something like that anyway, but this is what I'm going to be making. So bada bing, let's get into it. I came up the mountain today and I found this old tree stump, which is big enough. I hope there's not too many splits in it. Now I got to this, into this. Righty, right, I cut my wood down a bit, got into some kind of shape. So now I'm gonna draw out a rough outline of what I want and then start digging. Oh, should I say carving? Okay, let's do it. Right, I marked out where the face is roughly where it's gonna go. Towards the back now, I just hold that it. As you can see, this is the shape of the log anyway, so I have got to take out this and cross here somehow so I can get it symmetrical. So I might use the handsaw just to take a big chunk out and get it. Okay, slight technical issue. Well, I say technical issue, I sprayed it up and I decided I didn't like the shape of the head. As you do, like. So I sanded a bit of the paint bag off and I reshaped the head. It just looked too squished, it looked like he'd blown into a freaking wall or something. So I lengthened the face out a bit more. It looks better to me now. I'm going to leave the wings black at the moment and all that, and repaint the body section, try and highlight it and see where we go from here. Otherwise I'm going to burn it.